Hello, this is Pumping Piston Productions, and welcome to a new video. And as you might have noticed, it's on my train layout. Actually, you probably noticed this because you probably read the title. Anyways, let's get started. This is my train. This is there. They aren't trains, they're engines. Thomas is a tank engine and the train is what he pulls. And this is Tidmouth Sheds. And as you can see, there's a wonderful looking engine right there. Anyways, we move over. Oh, wait. There we go. I'll worry about that sign later. Here we have Gordon filling up in coal on my main junction. I don't know if I can call it a yard. I think they're the same thing, actually. And I can't get a good view, but here's the station. Here's the model plane that was in episode 2. There's the coal and water. There's Toby, who is pulling nothing because I haven't got Henrietta yet. There's Diesel. And over here, you see I got camera equipment. I have Daisy, who is coming out from that tunnel that goes under Gordon's Hill. This video is unscripted. And here, let me show you how this goes. See, you start here, you go all the way around. It takes you there and over the hill. So this line, and this line both go over that hill. And I'm pretty sure this line does too. It does. But this line and this line go this way and over to this place, which I don't know what I'm gonna do with yet. If you look right here, we have a super station that I don't know where I'm gonna put because I don't know what. Let's go back this way. So past this station, you see the Pacific Garbage Patch. But over here, there's not Gordon's Hill, Henry's Tunnel. And through Henry's Tunnel, you come out here. The Blue Mountain. Well, it's as close to the Blue Mountain Quarry as I'm gonna get. I've got Bill, Ben, Boko, and Mavis all here in this rather unsturdy looking piece. Well, anyway, so over here there's James. He's looking down into the pit of deep despair. There's a troublesome truck. And over here there's Splodge, who are scheming. They're also the oldest engines on this layout. I mean the youngest engines. I've tried to only use some of the older versions. Actually, no. Wickedy. Anyways, we have 3 toads staring at each other. Oh, wait, no, that didn't work. 3 toads staring at each other. Here we have Harold, and behind the Blue Mountain Quarry is the Vicarage Orchard, because I didn't know where would be a better place. Here we have Thomas with Annie, and I couldn't find Clarabelle, so he's just got Annie. And I like how the Vicarage Orchard came out. This is where I started with the dirt, and I thought it came out well, so I just put dirt all over the place. So there, moving on. Here is a man who clearly did not want to be here. Anyways, up down this path, which is Thomas's branch line, we have Donald and Douglas, who have seemed to have crashed. And don't worry, Douglas has his Tinder. And here is the windmill, which I made a whole set of. Originally, it was supposed to be a separate set. Focus. There you go. There's Stepney there. This was originally a separate set, but it came out so good that I just snuck it in. And this is the other side of Gordon's Hill, which has, this is where those tracks, it comes out, goes around. Actually, those two tracks would go back down that way. So those two, so that one and that one are effectively just loops to turn you around. Anyways, here's Percy. Say hello to Percy. Say hello to Percy. Okay. Anyways, now we're back here. I don't think there's anything else to really show. Well, this has been nice. And the light is coming.